If you've ever wanted to work at a nonprofit or get involved with volunteer opportunities in your community, then you may want to consider a career in human services. People in human services often help provide social programs. Their work typically involves connecting people in need to those resources, as well as coordinating, maintaining, and improving programs to better meet community needs. Keep watching to learn more about careers in human services. Pros and cons. Generally speaking, the field of human services centers on connecting with and helping people, so it can be a rewarding field. If you have the motivation to give back and provide for your community, then this may be a worthwhile field for you. On the other hand, some may find human services work to be overwhelming at times. There are often clerical responsibilities and paperwork attached to these services, and issues with services may arise and require employees to work during the weekend or evenings. However, if helping people and working with many different types of personalities motivates you, this might be a satisfying career field. Populations served. Have you ever volunteered at a homeless shelter or donated groceries to a food bank? What about mentoring a child through a Big Brothers Big Sisters program? If you've done any of these things, then you've worked with a population served by human services. There are many different populations in need of support services. These include the elderly, people from low-income communities, veterans, people with disabilities or mental illness, children from food-insecure households, at-risk youth, people with addictions, and many others. That's why the field of human services is so large, because there are so many underserved communities. Job requirements. The qualification for entry-level jobs in this field can vary depending on what you want to do. Typically, workers in human services have at least a high school diploma. It's common for entry-level workers to also have an associate degree in human services, and some employers look for candidates with practical experience in this field as well. To prepare students to work in this field, human services degree programs teach a variety of subjects. Courses may include public and community health, family dynamics, social welfare, legal and ethical issues in human services, and human behavior in the social environment. Your level of education and experience may determine what kinds of jobs you're hired to do within the human services field. New employees in this field typically receive on-the-job training. Job outlook and salary. The job outlook for social and human service assistants is generally positive. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, or BLS, employment in this field is projected to grow by 13% from 2018 through 2028, which is faster than the average rate for all occupations. The BLS notes that this increase will be driven in part by the increasing number of older adults who require social services, such as meal delivery and adult daycare. In addition, demand for human services is likely to grow as more people with addictions seek treatment. BLS data indicates that the median pay for social and human service assistants is $33,750 per year, or $16.22 per hour. This means half the workers in this occupation earned more than that amount, while half earned less. While the lowest 10% of workers earned less than $22,430, the highest 10% earned more than $52,420. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation in terms of what human services is and what human services workers do. This growing field is in need of new candidates with a passion for helping their communities. If that sounds like you, then you might want to look into pursuing education and a career in the human services field. If you'd like to learn more about working in this industry, visit our website today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.